In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your withdrawal limit on Binance. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, this guide will help you navigate the steps needed to extend your daily withdrawal capacity efficiently. Let's get started. First, we need to understand what exactly determines your withdrawal limits on Binance. Essentially, your maximum daily withdrawal amount is influenced by two main factors. The first is your account verification level, commonly known as KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. The second factor is your VIP or trading volume status. Both of these determine the extent to which you can increase your withdrawal limits, so understanding them is crucial. Now let's talk about increasing your withdrawal limits through upgrading your verification level. On Binance, there are typically three verification tiers: Basic, Intermediate, and Advanced. If you have a basic level 1 verification, your withdrawal limit is quite modest, around 0.06 BTC daily. However, by moving up to Intermediate level 2, your withdrawal capability increases significantly, allowing you to withdraw up to around 2 million USD equivalent daily. For those needing even higher limits, the Advanced level 3 can provide very high or potentially no set limits at all. To upgrade your verification, log into your Binance account and head over to the Identification or Verification section. Here, to complete intermediate verification or higher, you'll need to submit a government ID and a selfie. For the advanced level, you'll also need to provide proof of address or income. It's important to note that waiting for approval is essential, as this step is critical in unlocking those higher limits. For those of you who are high-volume traders or hold significant amounts of BNB or trading volume, there's another way to unlock even higher withdrawal limits. That's by achieving VIP status. As a VIP member, each level provides an increasing capacity for withdrawals in BUSD, Binance's own stablecoin. Starting with VIP levels 0 through 3, you can withdraw up to approximately 8 million BUSD spot per day. If you move further up, VIP 4 increases that capacity to around 16 million BUSD, and VIP 5 bumps it up to about 24 million BUSD. At the highest levels, like VIP 9, you could benefit from withdrawal limits of up to approximately 96 million BUSD per day. To achieve VIP status, you should work on increasing your 30-day trading volume in BUSD and/or holding more BNB. This effort is quite rewarding in terms of the expanded withdrawal limits you can access. And there you have it. By understanding your current limits and knowing the steps to increase them through account verification upgrades or achieving VIP status, you're well on your way to elevate your trading experience on Binance. Thanks for watching, and good luck with enhancing your withdrawal capacity.